How to change your username on Instagram? Open Instagram app and make sure to sign in on your Instagram account. Then select the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will let you access to your profile feed. Once it opens, select the three-line icon at the top right corner and then select Account Centers under your account at the top of the screen. Once it opens, select Profiles at the top and choose any profile that you would like to change the username of. And then select username. Once it opens, you can easily delete your username and change it to other username. So let's do it. And once it is done, you can select the done button at the bottom of the screen. The changes might take some few time. So as you can see that we have successfully changed our username as well. So that's how we change the username on Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, then do like, share and comment. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.